No matter what level you're at in your go to market segmentation hierarchy, and no matter what rule type you use, when adding a new hierarchy, you will always be asked how you want to deal with child accounts. Essentially, you're determining whether child accounts will simply go into the same territory as their parents or whether be assigned separately from their parent. You have three options for this: don't reassign children to the same segment, assign all children to the same segment, and assign children that meet the following criteria to the same segment. To explore this concept, we'll oversimplify the Walt Disney Company to use as an example. Suppose we're using a map rule to divide the world into super regions and then to separate the US into three regions. We're deciding how to allocate the Disney subsidiaries. The Walt Disney Company, which is the ultimate parent, is headquartered in California. Disney World is headquartered in Florida, and Disneyland Paris is located in France. Choosing the don't reassign children to the same segment option will allow those accounts to live in different territories. Assign all children to the same segment. This means wherever the ultimate parent is, the children will follow. In this case, that means all of the children accounts would end up in the US West region. Assign children that meet the following criteria to the same segment. This option allows you to create rules for which children should and shouldn't follow the parent. As a simple example, let's say you want only US subsidiaries to follow the parent. You can put that here so that certain subsidiaries would follow the parent and the rest would be treated independently. As you can see, in the case of our simple Disney example, you would have Disneyland Paris by itself over in EMEA, and you would have Disney World in the West USA region with the Walt Disney Company. In this example, we discussed how treatment of account families works with map rules. However, it will work the same with other rule types, whether you're using industry, company size, or other firmographic data to segment your market. Obviously, the biggest considerations for the treatment of child accounts are: one, where are purchasing decisions made for your company's product or services? And two, how do you best align your resources? No matter your go to market, Fullcast can be set up to fit your needs. Test yourself. Does your company sell into any of the Disney subsidiaries? If so, which option would be best for your current territory structure? Take a moment to jot down which option you would select.